Good day, Sir Ram. My name is VJ Ramos Barbanida, and for my teaching philosophy as a future educator, sir, my teaching philosophy is teach students to be creative and always because I want my students to think outside the box. Yes. My teaching philosophy relates to ideas of progressivism by John Dewey. And progressivism encourages education to be student-centered, focusing on inquiry, exploration, and problem solving. And also, sir, creativity is essential for students to engage meaningfully with real-world challenges because I believe that education should nurture creativity, imagination, and practical skills, enabling students to adapt and think critically and diverse situation po. Thank you, sir.